But here's where it gets controversial. Imagine a world where cities are equipped with robotic inspectors who scan sidewalks and curb ramps with precision, ensuring accessibility for people with disabilities. In Irvine, California, a groundbreaking initiative is underway to revolutionize urban maintenance with these futuristic tools. The city has deployed two adorable robots, Bandit and Smokey, from Oregon-based Daxbot, to meticulously map out every inch of its infrastructure. These bots aren't just rolling past the streets. They're actively analyzing slopes, cracks, and gaps to ensure compliance with the Americans with Disabilities Act (ADA) standards. The robots, designed to look like friendly companions, are equipped with advanced sensors and cameras to gather data on everything from surface textures to structural integrity. Their mission? To create a heat map of Irvine's accessibility challenges, highlighting areas needing immediate attention. This is where the debate begins. While proponents argue that robots can work 24/7 without fatigue, critics question whether they truly understand the nuanced needs of individuals with disabilities. Daxbot CEO, Mason Reeves, explains that the bots are not just speed demons, but precision experts. We collect every centimeter, he says, and as each millimeter rolls down the sidewalk, we're able to gather data faster and more accurately than human workers. This level of detail is crucial for identifying minor issues that might otherwise go unnoticed. However, some experts caution that robots may lack the empathy of human inspectors, who can pick up on subtle cues that machines can't replicate. The city's scale adds another layer to the challenge. With 9,000 curb ramps and nearly 1,000 miles of sidewalks and trails, Irvine's infrastructure is a sprawling network of obstacles. The robots' data will be analyzed by Bureau Veritas, a leading engineering firm, to generate actionable insights. By the end of 6 months, the city will have a clear roadmap for repairs, paving the way for smoother pathways and more accessible public spaces. This initiative isn't just about efficiency. It's about redefining what's possible in urban planning. While some see robots as the future of accessibility, others worry about potential biases or missed opportunities. As Irvine pioneers this technology, the question remains, will these bots ultimately enhance lives, or will they leave behind a trail of questions about the role of machines in human care? The answer, of course, lies in the hands of those who will operate, monitor, and refine these innovations.